Esker Customer Service Solution Online Training. What is Esker Customer Service Solution and how does it improve customer engagement? Esker's Customer Service Solution is an AI-powered automation platform designed to streamline order management, customer inquiries, and service requests. It enhances customer service operations by digitizing and optimizing processes related to order processing, case management, and communication, leading to faster response times and improved customer satisfaction. Key features of Esker Customer Service Solution. AI-driven order management automates order processing with AI-powered data extraction, validation, and routing to reduce manual work and errors. Intelligent case management centralizes customer inquiries, complaints, and service requests in a unified dashboard for better tracking and resolution. Self-service portal provides customers with real-time order tracking, invoice retrieval, and direct communication, improving transparency. Omnichannel communication integrates with email, chat, and other communication channels, ensuring seamless interactions with customers. ERP and CRM integration connects with major ERP and CRM platforms like SAP, Oracle, and Salesforce, ensuring smooth data flow. Analytics and reporting offers dashboards with insights into customer service performance, response times, and service bottlenecks. How it improves customer engagement. Faster response times. AI-driven automation reduces delays in handling orders and customer inquiries. Personalized customer interactions. Intelligent case management ensures that agents have complete customer history, allowing for tailored responses. Greater transparency. Self-service portals empower customers with real-time access to their orders and invoices. Proactive issue resolution. AI-based analytics help detect trends and predict potential service issues before they escalate. Seamless multi-channel support. Customers can interact across multiple channels without repeating information, leading to a smoother experience. How to automate order management with Esker Customer Service Solution? Automating order management with Esker Customer Service Solution can significantly improve efficiency, accuracy, and customer satisfaction. Here's a structured approach. 1. Implement AI-driven order processing. Esker uses AI-driven order capture to automatically extract and validate order data from emails, PDFs, AD, or fax. Use machine learning models to enhance data extraction accuracy over time. Configure business rules to automate order validation, eliminating manual intervention. 2. Automate order routing and validation. Implement automatic order classification based on product type, priority, or region. Set up rule-based validations, example, quantity checks, pricing verification, customer credit limits. Integrate Esker with ERP systems, SAP, Oracle, NetSuite, etc. for seamless validation and order updates. 3. Workflow automation and exception handling. Automate approval workflows for exceptions, example, missing fields, incorrect pricing. Use intelligent dashboards to flag and manage exceptions in real time. Set up alerts and notifications for order delays or discrepancies. 4. Enable self-service and customer portals. Provide customers with a self-service portal to track orders, submit changes, or request support. Automate responses to customer inquiries using AI-driven chatbots and RPA. 5. Integrate with CRM and supply chain systems. Sync Esker with Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, or other CRM systems for end-to-end visibility. Automate order fulfillment and tracking with logistics providers. 6. Monitor performance and continuous optimization. Use Esker's analytics and reporting tools to track KPIs like order processing time, error rates, and customer satisfaction. Continuously refine AI models and workflow rules based on insights. What are the key features of Esker's AI-driven customer support automation? Esker's AI-driven customer support automation offers several key features that enhance efficiency, accuracy, and customer experience. Here are the main highlights. Intelligent chatbots and virtual assistants. AI-powered bots handle common customer queries, reducing agent workload and improving response times. Natural language processing (NLP) enables the system to understand, interpret, and respond to customer inquiries in multiple languages with high accuracy. Automated ticket classification and routing. AI analyzes incoming support requests and assigns them to the appropriate team based on priority and category. Sentiment analysis detects customer emotions in messages and prioritizes urgent or dissatisfied cases for human intervention. Self-service portals. AI-driven FAQs and knowledge bases empower customers to resolve issues independently, reducing support costs. Predictive and proactive support. AI anticipates customer needs based on historical interactions and provides relevant solutions before issues escalate. Automated case resolution uses machine learning to suggest or execute resolutions for repetitive issues, improving first contact resolution rates. Integration with CRM and ERP systems seamlessly connects with platforms like Salesforce, SAP, and Microsoft Dynamics for streamlined workflows. Analytics and reporting provides insights into customer interactions, agent performance, and common support issues for continuous improvement. Omnichannel support handles customer inquiries across email, chat, phone, and social media, ensuring a seamless experience. How to integrate Esker customer service solution with existing CRM and ERP systems? Integrating Esker's customer service solution with existing CRM and ERP systems requires a strategic approach to ensure seamless data flow and process automation. Here's a step-by-step guide to achieving this integration effectively. 1. Understand business requirements. Before starting the integration, define key use cases. Example, order processing, customer inquiries, invoicing. Data to be synchronized, customer data, order details, payment status. Integration objectives, improving customer response time, reducing manual work. 2. Assess Esker's integration capabilities. Esker provides various integration methods. API and web services, REST SOAP APIs for real-time communication. Pre-built connectors. Esker offers out-of-the-box connectors for popular CRM, Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, and ERP, SAP, Oracle, NetSuite. AD. Electronic data interchange useful for structured document exchanges between systems. RPA, robotic process automation if direct API integration is not feasible. 3. Choose the right integration approach. Depending on the CRM ERP system you use, consider direct API integration. If your CRM, example Salesforce, and ERP, example SAP, support APIs, Esker APIs can directly interact with them. Middleware, IPAs using platforms like MuleSoft, Dell Boomi, or Informatica can help connect Esker with multiple systems. File-based integration, using CSV XML data exchange for legacy systems. Cloud-based sync, if you use cloud-based CRMs or ERPs, Esker's cloud solutions can sync data with them. 4. Implement data mapping and synchronization. Ensure data consistency, map fields between Esker, CRM, and ERP. Set up real-time or batch updates based on business needs. Use API webhooks for instant updates when customer interactions occur. 5. Automate workflows. Autoroute customer inquiries from Esker to CRM. Sync customer orders and invoices from ERP to Esker. Automate order confirmations and status updates. 6. Monitor and optimize. Use Esker's dashboard and analytics to track integration performance. Set up alerts and error handling for data mismatches. Conduct regular updates and testing to ensure smooth operation. 7. Ensure security and compliance. Use OAuth 2.0 SAML for secure authentication. Ensure GDPR and industry compliance, especially for financial or healthcare sectors. How does Esker enhance customer inquiry and complaint handling efficiency? Esker enhances customer inquiry and complaint handling efficiency through several key capabilities. 1. AI-driven case management. Uses AI and machine learning to classify, route, and prioritize customer inquiries automatically. Sentiment analysis helps escalate urgent complaints for faster resolution. 2. Omnichannel communication. Consolidates customer interactions from email, chat, web forms, and phone calls into a unified interface. Provides automated response suggestions and predefined templates for quicker replies. 3. Workflow automation. Assigns cases based on workload, expertise, or priority to ensure efficient handling. Tracks inquiry status and sends automated updates to customers, improving transparency. 4. Integration with ERP and CRM systems. Syncs seamlessly with SAP, Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, and other platforms. Reduces data silos by ensuring agents have real-time access to customer history and order details. 5. Self-service portals. Allows customers to check order status, invoices, and submit inquiries without agent intervention. Chatbots and virtual assistants help answer common queries instantly. 6. Analytics and performance tracking. Provides real-time dashboards to monitor response times, resolution rates, and customer satisfaction. Identifies bottlenecks and trends to enhance support processes. What reporting and analytics capabilities does Esker provide for customer service optimization? Esker provides robust reporting and analytics capabilities for customer service optimization through its AI-driven automation platform. Key features include 1. Real-time dashboards and KPI tracking. Provides a centralized view of customer service operations. Tracks order processing times, response rates, and SLAs. Customizable widgets for user-specific insights. 2. Predictive analytics and AI insights. Uses AI and machine learning to detect trends and forecast demand. Helps identify bottlenecks in order processing. Supports proactive decision-making to improve efficiency. 3. Order and invoice analytics. Monitors order-to-cash cycle efficiency. Analyzes invoice processing and dispute resolution trends. Helps reduce errors and improve accuracy. 4. Customer interaction analytics. Tracks response times and resolution rates. Identifies customer pain points through sentiment analysis. Enhances customer satisfaction via data-driven insights. 5. Automation performance reports. Evaluates workflow automation effectiveness. Measures reduction in manual efforts and cost savings. Identifies areas for further automation. 6. Customizable reporting and export capabilities. Users can customize reports based on business needs. Supports exporting reports in multiple formats: Excel, PDF, CSV. Enables integration with BI tools like Power BI and Tableau. 7. Compliance and audit reporting. Ensures regulatory compliance with detailed audit logs. Tracks document history and user activities. Helps in meeting GDPR, SOX, and other compliance standards. 8. Mobile and cloud-based access. Provides anytime, anywhere access to reports. Enables managers to monitor KPIs on mobile devices. Improves decision-making with real-time updates. How to configure Esker's self-service portal for better customer experience. Configuring Esker's self-service portal for an enhanced customer experience involves several key steps, ensuring that customers can easily access relevant information, submit requests, and track orders or invoices efficiently. Here's a structured approach. 1. User-friendly interface configuration. Customize the dashboard. Tailor the interface with widgets that provide quick access to frequently used features, example, order status, invoice tracking, dispute resolution. Branding and theme. Adjust colors, logos, and styles to align with your company's branding for a consistent look and feel. Personalized notifications. Enable customers to receive real-time alerts on their transactions, such as order approvals, shipment tracking, and due invoices. 2. Streamline customer onboarding. Easy registration process. Allow customers to self-register with minimal inputs using single sign-on, SSO, or social logins for convenience. Guided tutorials. Implement onboarding walkthroughs and help tooltips to guide new users on how to navigate the portal. 3. Intelligent search and navigation. Smart Search. Integrate an AI-driven search bar that enables customers to find invoices, orders, and support documents using keywords. Categorized menus. Organize information under clear headings. Example, orders, invoices, support requests, to reduce navigation complexity. 4. Self-service capabilities. Order and invoice tracking. Allow customers to check real-time order status, estimated delivery times, and invoice details. Downloadable documents. provide access to PDFs of invoices, contracts, and statements for quick retrieval. Automated dispute resolution, enable customers to raise disputes or issues and track their resolution progress within the portal. 5. AI chatbot and live support. AI-powered chatbot. Implement Esker's AI assistant to answer FAQs, guide users through common issues, and escalate complex cases to live support. Live chat integration. Offer real-time chat support during business hours for immediate issue resolution. 6. Seamless integration with ERP and CRM. ERP integration. Sync the portal with ERP systems like SAP, Oracle, or Microsoft Dynamics to ensure real-time data accuracy. CRM connection. Link with Salesforce, HubSpot, or Zoho for a 360-degree view of customer interactions and order history. 7. Mobile optimization. Responsive design. Ensure the portal is fully optimized for mobile users, allowing seamless access from smartphones and tablets. Mobile app compatibility. If Esker offers a mobile version, encourage customers to use it for easier tracking and interaction. 8. Security and compliance. Role-based access. Implement user roles, example admin, standard user, to control data visibility. Secure authentication. Use multi-factor authentication, MFA, and encryption to protect customer data. Compliance standards. Ensure the portal complies with GDPR, HIPAA, or other regional regulations to maintain data privacy. Why choose ProExcellency for Esker Customer Service Solution online training? ProExcellency is a leading provider of virtual and corporate training, specializing in IT consulting and professional online education. They are committed to delivering quality services and have a team of subject matter experts and professionals to help candidates pursue their interests. ProExcellency offers advanced online training, flexible commercial models, and competitive billing costs. They pay complete attention to customer requirements and have a proven track record of customer satisfaction. Choosing ProExcellency for Esker Customer Service Solution online training ensures you receive expert-led instruction tailored to your needs, backed by a company dedicated to excellence and authenticity in e-learning. ProExcellency.com. Thank you.